Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren said that it is a great honor for him and the state that Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the Manipur water supply project today through video conferencing. He said that the foundation laying for the Manipur water supply project will be vital in achieving the targets for the state. It is planned to cover a population of 40 lakhs by 2044 in the state. A team of Times of Manipur journalists led by its editor Jeet Ningomba visited interior village of Shongran in Ukhrul district. The village, also known as Somdal, is the native village of NACN-IM leader Tuingaling Muiva and is located about 103 kilometers from Imphal. The team during the trip met with the family members of NACN-IM General Secretary Tuingaling Muiva, who went to Delhi earlier this week for medical treatment along with his wife and others. Villagers along with the family members of Muiva back at Ukhrul were praying for the speedy recovery of the NACN-IM leader. India has recorded the biggest ever spike in fresh coronavirus cases and deaths. In the past 24 hours, over 45,000 new coronavirus cases have been recorded, while the death toll has gone up by 1,129. India's coronavirus count has gone up to 12,38,635 with 45,720 new cases recorded in a day. India's COVID-19 toll has also shot up to 29,861 with over 1,000 deaths. In Manipur, 45 persons were confirmed positive of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 2,060. An official report confirmed that the fresh cases were tested positive at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLs of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS in Imphal and district hospitals in Ziribam, Ukhrul and Thoubal. Nagaland registered 57 fresh COVID-19 cases yesterday. Among them, 23 are in Dimapur, 18 in Kohima, 7 in Zunheboto, 5 in Perin and 2 each in Mon and Mokokchung, according to media reports. Lack of timely intervention by the related department and the state government negligence on National Highway 37 or Imphal-Ziribam Road, several portions of the road have sunken. A major portion of the highway near Noni Bazaar, measuring about 100 meters, has been caved in after incessant rain. Kaithilmanbi Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles and Moray Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarters IGAR South, planted saplings as part of tree plantation drive at Company Operating Base COB Lelong and Adulam Rehabilitation Centre Moray on 21st and 22nd July. Assam government yesterday announced that the inter-district movement of citizens will be allowed on July 30th to 31st, 2020. As per a media report, State Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna, who is also the chairman of the Executive Committee of the Assam State Disaster Management Authority ASTMA, issued an order in this regard on Wednesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya on August 5th, said Swami Govind Dev Giri of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra yesterday. According to a media report, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic and to ensure maximum social distancing at the foundation laying event, it has been decided that not more than 200 people, including 150 invitees, would be allowed to attend the foundation stone laying ceremony. China successfully launched an unmanned probe to Mars today in its first independent mission to another planet, a bid for global leadership in space and a display of its technological prowess and ambition. China's largest carrier rocket, the Long March 5Y4, blasted off with the probe at 12:41 p.m. or 4:41 GMT from Wenchang Space Launch Center on the southern island of Hainan, as per media reports. The probe is expected to reach Mars in February, where it will attempt to deploy a rover to explore the planet for 90 days.